Five, four, three, two, one. Whether it be increasing the extreme heat waves, whether it be increasing rainfall, or whether it be even faster eroding beaches, climate change is becoming increasingly visible across California and especially Orange County. Similarly, biodiversity is also in decline and is increasingly more visible. If we focus on the California gnatcatcher alongside other native species, we find that upwards of 80% of gnatcatchers have been lost in recent years, a significant decline. So why is this happening? Well, its environment. California coastal sage scrub is also in decline due to climate change and due to urban development. So, why do we care about sage scrub? Well, beyond it being a home for our friend, it is a fire mitigation and drought mitigation habitat where coastal sage scrub has a high proportion of native plants. These native plants retain a lot of water and exist year round, which means that sage scrub environments have year round fire protection, year round drought protection, and ultimately a year round home or a friend due to that high number of water retaining native plants. So, that makes me introduce you to my lab. Ecological Preserve, where my research group, the Center for Environmental Biology, has a mission to protect coastal sage grove through conservation, restoration, and research, like my project, that hopes to examine whether differences in rainfall and differences in soil composition can impact the number of those water retaining natives in both native rich coastal sage scrub and native poor grassland. My study found that rainfall actually had no impact, where if you look in that top graph, the cover of native plants across grassland and coastal sage scrub increased. In the bottom graph, you'll see the cover of non-native plants. So these non-native plants do not retain water as much. They're drought prone, they're fire prone. These non-natives also increase the rainfall, meaning that rainfall alone is not a solution to stop non-native proliferation. Additionally, soil composition did have an impact, where you see on the left more carbon in coastal sage soil and more nitrogen on the right in coastal sage soil indicates that supplementation of these minerals could prevent biodiversity loss and could prevent coastal sage loss. So why does this all matter to me? Why does this research matter? Well, whether it be hiking, whether it be skiing, whether it be fishing, nature to me is a source of community. It's a source of peace, and ultimately, it's a retreat. And I'm grateful to have had a family that has instilled that within me and has given me the opportunity to ensconce myself in nature so much. So, what should it matter to you? Well, the gift of nature should be for everyone, and biodiversity should be everywhere. This research is a way for the gift of biodiversity, the gift of memory, the gift of communities, and the gift of love, ultimately, to be given to anyone who chooses to fight for nature. Fight for nature with me. Thank you.